we're starting to move into the steps and combinations that I teach in my level 2.3 classes. 2.3 is all about waltz clogs and also has some work involving shuffle off to buffaloes as well. So we are going to start this off with a review of your single waltz clog, and then we will do a lot of different waltz clog variations after that.
So the single waltz clog is what you learned back in Never Too Late. Step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change. So slowly, starting with the right foot, we're going to do just some singles. You're going to do step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change. 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Step, shuffle, ball change, 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 step. So that is a single waltz clog, and what makes it a single is that we're starting with a step, and a step makes one sound, therefore it's a single. 1, 1, 1. Step, shuffle, ball change. And you should stay on your toes the entire time. This is a thing where your heel should not hit the floor. We're going to do just some singles. You're going to do step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change. 1